Hey guys, so here we go again. So you just need here to log in Run Mobile website. Then click the event below the user, and here you can see day 22 protection potion complete attendance. Then just go back again to log. So ito na guys. Yan. You just check your email. Then here you go. One protection token. Okay. So pagkakalala ko ano to non-trade to. So marami kayong account, hindi nyo malilipat sa ibang account. Okay. So yun lang guys. Good luck. Happy leveling.